What if I told you there's one simple daily habit that could help restore your muscle strength, even if you're over 60, and make you feel like you're 40 again? Sounds too good to be true, right? But stay with me, because this isn't about going to the gym for hours or popping a dozen supplements a day. It's about something simple, doable, and backed by science. As we get older, it's easy to feel like our bodies are slowing down, like we're just getting weaker, because that's what aging is supposed to do. But what if I told you it doesn't have to be that way? Hi, I'm your name. And over the next few minutes, I'm going to share exactly what's happening to your muscles as you age, and the one daily habit that can change everything. I've seen people in their 60s, 70s, even 80s bring their strength back, improve their balance, boost their energy, and feel years younger just by doing this consistently. So if you want to walk upstairs with ease again, carry those grandkids without back pain, or just feel stronger, more confident, and more you again, don't go anywhere. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do, why it works, and how to get started today. Let's start with the hard truth. After the age of 30, most people begin to lose muscle mass, a process called sarcopenia. And after 60, that loss accelerates. On average, we lose 3 to 5% of muscle every decade. Doesn't sound like much? Think again. This muscle loss affects everything. From how fast we walk, to how easily we get out of a chair, to how stable we are on our feet. It even affects how we burn fat, since muscle plays a huge role in metabolism. Less muscle means less strength, slower metabolism, and more body fat. It's a domino effect. And here's the kicker. Most people chalk this up to just getting older. But sarcopenia isn't inevitable. It's not a natural death sentence for your strength. In many cases, it's the result of underuse. The old saying is true. If you don't use it, you lose it. So what does this look like in real life? It might start with feeling a little winded after climbing stairs, or needing to use your hands to push off a chair, or struggling to carry a laundry basket up from the basement. These little signs can sneak up on you. And over time, they can lead to falls, hospital visits, and loss of independence. But here's the good news. You can reverse a lot of it. With the right kind of movement and a tiny shift in daily habits, you can build muscle again. Yes, even after 60. Your muscles still want to grow. You just have to give them the signal. And that's where the one daily habit we're about to reveal makes all the difference. Now you might be thinking, okay, I get it. I need to move more. Maybe I'll join a gym or buy some supplements. But here's the problem. Most of the popular solutions out there don't work for older adults. Not because they're bad in theory, but because they're not made with you in mind. Take gym routines, for example. Walking into a weight room for the first time in decades can feel overwhelming, even intimidating. The machines are confusing, the workouts are too intense or too long, and after a few tries, most people give up because it just doesn't feel sustainable. Then there are supplements. Every week there's a new magic pill promising to restore strength, boost testosterone, or rebuild muscle overnight. But without the right foundation, movement, and nutrition, those supplements don't do much at all. It's like trying to build a house on sand. Or let's talk diets. Extreme diets might help you lose weight fast, but many also cause muscle loss along the way. That means you're not just getting thinner, you're getting weaker. And that's the opposite of what we want. The truth is, real results come from small, sustainable actions done daily. Not from overhauls, not from extremes, and definitely not from quick fixes. That's why in the next section we're going to focus on just one habit. One you can start doing today, with no gym required, no expensive gear, and no complicated instructions. Because when the habit is simple, you actually stick with it. And when you stick with it, results happen. So here it is. The one daily habit that can help you restore lost muscle strength, improve balance, boost energy, and help you feel like your younger self again. Ready? It's this. Just 10 minutes of resistance band training once a day. Now, before you click away, hear me out. We're not talking about bench pressing hundreds of pounds or high-impact workouts. Resistance bands are gentle, portable, and incredibly effective. And best of all, they're made for all fitness levels, including beginners. Why resistance bands? Because they provide constant tension to your muscles without putting stress on your joints. That means you get the strength-building benefits of weightlifting without the heavy weights. You can do it sitting down, standing up, or even from a bed if you're just starting out. Now let's talk science. Studies show that consistent resistance training not only stops muscle loss, it can reverse it, even in people over 80. When your muscles face regular resistance, they respond by getting stronger. It's how your body is designed. Just like brushing your teeth maintains dental health, resistance training maintains your muscular system. You don't need a gym. You don't need fancy clothes. You just need a $10 resistance band, some space, and 10 minutes. You can do this while watching TV, during a coffee break, or right after waking up. And because it's so easy to weave into your routine, it's way more sustainable than traditional exercise plans. I've seen it firsthand. I worked with a 73-year-old client, Nancy, who couldn't lift her grandchild without back pain. After just 6 weeks of consistent daily resistance band work, she was carrying groceries with ease and playing tag in the backyard. It changed her life. The best part? The confidence boost. There's something powerful about feeling your own strength return. It's not just physical, it's mental. You stop feeling old and start feeling capable again. So if you're wondering, can I really get stronger with something this simple? The answer is yes. Not overnight, but daily. And that's the magic. In the next section, I'll walk you through exactly how to do it, safely, correctly, and at your own pace. Let's break down how to actually do this habit right. Don't worry, I'm keeping it simple. Step by step and totally beginner-friendly. Step 1, get the right band. Start with a light or medium resistance band. Look for one with handles if you want extra grip, or go for a loop band if you prefer simplicity. These are cheap, easy to find online or at your local store, and last a long time. Step 2, pick 3-5 basic moves. You don't need a long routine. Here are 5 great ones for total body strength. Seated row. Sit on a chair, wrap the band around your feet, and pull the handles toward your waist. Overhead press. Stand or sit, step on the band, and press up like you're reaching for the sky. Leg press. Lie on your back, band around your feet, push your legs straight out. Chest pull apart. Hold the band with arms extended in front, then pull apart to work your upper back. Bicep curl. Classic move. Step on the band and curl your arms up toward your shoulders. Step 3. Do 10-12 reps per move. Do 1 round of each move. If you're up for it, go through the circuit twice. Take breaks. Go slow. You're not rushing, you're building strength. 1 controlled motion at a time. Step 4. Focus on form. Keep your back straight, shoulders relaxed, and breathe deeply. If something hurts, stop. This should feel like work, but never pain. Step 5. Be consistent. Aim for once a day. If daily feels like too much at first, start with 3 to 4 times a week and build from there. Track your progress with a notebook or a simple calendar checkmark. Listen to music or a podcast while you do it. Set a reminder on your phone each morning. Keep your band visible near your couch, desk, or bedside table. Safety first. If you have medical concerns, talk to your doctor before starting. But for most healthy older adults, resistance bands are extremely safe. Start slow and listen to your body. Remember, it's not about intensity, it's about consistency. These small daily efforts create massive change over time. In just a few weeks, you'll notice stronger legs, better balance, easier movement. In a few months, you might be doing things you haven't done in years. And if you want to take it even further, I've got a few bonus tips in the next section to help you supercharge your results. Now that you've got your daily habit down, let's take it up a notch. With just a couple of extra tweaks that multiply your results without adding stress. Add protein to your day. Muscle doesn't grow from exercise alone. It needs the building blocks to rebuild and strengthen. That's where protein comes in. Aim to get a high-protein snack or meal within an hour after your resistance band workout. Think Greek yogurt, eggs, a small smoothie with protein powder, or even a turkey sandwich. Drink more water. Muscles are 75% water. Dehydration can make you feel sluggish and weak, so drink up, especially before and after your movement session. Keep a water bottle handy, and make it a habit to sip regularly throughout the day. Prioritize sleep. Your body repairs and rebuilds muscle while you sleep. Getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night will help your muscles recover and grow stronger faster. No fancy tricks, just regular bedtime, a cool, dark room, and cutting screens before bed can do wonders. Walk it out. Pair your resistance work with a short walk, even 10 to 15 minutes. Walking improves circulation, warms up the body, and supports joint health. It's low impact, low effort, and surprisingly powerful when done consistently. Stack habits together. Want to really make this stick? Stack your habit onto something you already do. For example, do your resistance moves while waiting for your coffee to brew. Pair them with your favorite morning show. Stretch right after brushing your teeth. These little combos make it feel effortless. The more natural it feels, the more likely you are to keep going, and the faster you'll see results. Let's talk mindset, because sometimes the biggest barrier isn't your body, it's your beliefs. Maybe you've been told, directly or indirectly, that getting older means slowing down, getting weaker, and settling for less. But that's just not the truth. Aging doesn't mean giving up your independence or vitality. It means getting smarter about how you take care of your body. And the beautiful part? Your body is still listening. It's still capable of change, growth, and strength, even in your 60s, 70s, and beyond. I've worked with seniors who thought they were too far gone to ever get strong again. People who hadn't exercised in 20 years, people recovering from injuries or surgeries, and you know what? Once they committed to just one small daily habit, like the resistance band work we talked about, they started seeing results. Not overnight, but consistently, steadily, and noticeably. And it wasn't just physical. Their confidence grew. They walked taller. They felt more in control. They smiled more. Because regaining strength isn't just about muscles. It's about reclaiming your sense of self. You are not too old. You are not too late. And you do not need to be perfect. You just need to start. One day at a time, one rep at a time. It's okay if you've tried and stopped before. That's part of the journey. What matters is what you do now. What matters is that you believe in what's still possible for you. You deserve to feel strong. You deserve to move without fear. And yes, you deserve to feel like your younger self again. Because aging isn't the end. It's a new chapter. And with the right mindset, it can be one of your strongest yet. All right, now it's your turn. Here's your challenge. Try this habit for just 7 days. That's it. Commit to 10 minutes of resistance band exercises each day, or at least a few times this week. Track how you feel. Pay attention to your energy, your strength, and your confidence. Drop a comment below and tell me, what's your biggest challenge when it comes to staying active? I'd love to hear your story and support you on this journey. If this video inspired you or gave you hope, don't forget to like it. It helps more people find it. Hit subscribe if you want more simple, science-backed health advice made just for you. And hey, share this with a friend or family member who could use a little strength boost too. Let's build a stronger, healthier community together. And stay tuned, because in next week's video, we'll cover the best muscle-building foods for seniors and how to eat to maximize the results you get from your new habit. Remember, you don't need motivation every day. You just need a habit. And now you've got one. Uplifting music as the video shows a montage of progress, older adults working out, smiling in the mirror, engaging with family. So let's bring it all together. You now know that age-related muscle loss isn't something you have to accept. It's real, yes, but it's also reversible. And the best part? It only takes one daily habit to start turning things around. That habit is simple. Resistance band training. 10 minutes a day, no gym, no pressure, just you, your band, and a quiet space to move. You've learned why muscle loss happens, why most solutions out there don't work, and why this one does. You've learned how to do it safely, how to make it a habit, and how to supercharge your progress with a few extra tips. But more than that, I hope you felt something else. Possibility. Because this isn't just about muscles. It's about your life. It's about climbing stairs with ease again, walking without fear of falling, carrying groceries, hugging your grandkids, feeling proud of your body again. You have the power to make that happen, not through willpower or magic, but through simple, consistent action. So take that first step. Lay out your band. Press play on this video again if you need to. Do those first few reps. You're not going back in time, you're stepping into your strength. And remember this, you're not too old and it's not too late. Your strongest years aren't behind you. They're just one habit away. I'm proud of you for being here. Now let's go build something strong. So, here's the bottom line. Getting your strength back doesn't have to be complicated. In just 10 minutes a day, with the right resistance band exercises, you can restore muscle strength, improve balance, and feel younger than ever. No gym required. Age doesn't have to slow you down. Consistency is your secret weapon. It's not about perfection. It's about showing up every day, even for just a few minutes. In time, those small steps add up to big changes. So, are you ready to feel stronger, more confident, and more independent? Start today. Give yourself the gift of strength and see how far it can take you. Oh. The best part? Your journey starts right now. Don't wait. Your muscles are waiting to come back to life. Let's make this happen. And hey, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit subscribe for more tips on staying strong, healthy, and confident as you age.